Next is Prada. Interestingly, of course, it's an Italian company, sorry, but it's listed in Hong Kong. It's got a cool share code, HKG-1913.
Yeah.
I don't know, they have numbers there.
Yes.
Of course, it's all the leather goods, handbags. I'm going to do this now. Do you see these shoes, Chantal, that I'm wearing?
Do you see my glasses?
Yes. Okay. Now, these are my sole luxury goods possession. I'm waiting for the camera to focus on said shoe. This is a Prada shoe. So these cost like 890 euros when I visited Italy a couple of years ago. But I must say they're very well made shoes. Okay, enough of that.
They are very pretty. So these are my reading glasses, also Prada, also my sole luxury good item that I have. I won't be wearing them for the rest of the show.
Market cap is 86.2 billion Hong Kong dollars. Remember, the Hong Kong dollar is pegged to the US dollar, so that translates as 11.1 billion US dollars. Price earnings ratio 36.1, dividend yield 2.94. It actually hasn't done all that well over a long period in Hong Kong. Show us the share chart, but you can see that recently it has picked itself up a bit. And I mean, it seems well positioned. The company is well run by its founder family. The CEO, Miyuki Prada, she is the sort of descendant, I think, of her granddad who started it all.
Yeah, in 1913, would you believe?
Great stuff, super stores, beautiful location, destination stores in high traffic kind of retail areas.
So, unfortunately, this company is very exposed to whatever happens in China. The Chinese consumer not only spends money when they go and travel into Europe at Prada stores, but also they've got a massive footprint in China, in Hong Kong.
Which is why presumably they listed in Hong Kong. So when they decided to float a small part of the company, they went there because they knew that most of the sort of upside and excitement and customers were there, I guess.
Yeah, but the luxury goods slump that we've seen more recently has actually hit this company quite hard. They're very exposed to leather goods. It's quite high margin and it's very expensive. So there seemed to have been sort of a trade down in luxury goods. People not buying the highest ticket items anymore. I know leather goods also formed part of that Chinese gifting kind of story.
But then again, Louis Vuitton seemed to be doing well more recently.
Yeah,
but I guess it was a timing issue.
When it comes to leather goods and handbags in particular, it's all about the it bag. So Louis Vuitton may have launched an it bag, which would have boosted sales. And one of the things that I've been picking up from the market is that Prada is in desperate need of a new it bag. Apparently, it makes the world of difference. I can't afford one of those it bags, but I'm sure that if I was playing in that space, it would be the only thing I think about. And that's really what this company needs to lift it up a little bit.
Okay, it was spoken about as a possible acquisition target, but of course the family, because Miyuki Prada, she's the CEO, and her husband Patricio Bertelli is also in the management team. They control it with her and her stake and then some of her cousins, I understand. So I suppose they might be able to ignore any interest that comes from the foreign. So I guess we just have to go hot or not? Yeah,
so for me, I'd have to wait and see if there's a meaningful turnaround in demand for their goods. For the moment, I'm still a little bit apprehensive, so I'll stay cool on it for now.
Okay, I'm going to just wing it and think on account of the fact that LVMH is doing well and that leather sales and Coach has done well recently, the share chart doesn't look dead cheap, but I'm just figuring there might be some upside there, so I'm going to go hot on that one.